Lion defense
Okay, let's
class.
recap. So what the lion's gonna do? They're gonna try to jump on your back. They're gonna be clawing and biting on you. And you just keep on forcing your way up. Good job. Get your balance. Okay, good. Now, stay strong on your fours. They're gonna be more. They're gonna be pushing. They're gonna be pushing on you, and grabbing on your legs. They're gonna be trying to push you down. So you just stay up. Good. They're gonna be keep on pushing on you. Good. Okay, you did good. Okay. Yeah, you still up. Okay. That was a good lesson. Same time, same place tomorrow.